That's all good in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo this evening. So we're gonna be showing you how we're gonna start it. So the first thing, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut up the ingredients and put it into the blender and tell it exactly what I've been doing. All right. So for the first thing inside of it, this is 1 medium-sized lime we are putting inside of the blender. So far we have carrot. I'm using 2 medium-sized carrot. So we're gonna use 2 medium-sized carrot. This is the first carrot we are using so far. All right, I'm going to get the next one. I was gonna cut them up earlier, but I said to myself, that's all good, because the Chef Ricardo doing this one. This is the second carrot. All right, carrot with apple is amazing, guys. So we got 1 medium-sized red apple we are going to use. All right. Lovely. So we're gonna put 1 medium-sized red apple inside of it, okay? And that's the red apple right here. Beautiful. Look at that. Amazing. So we got red apple, carrot inside of it, and the lime. So that looking fabulous so far. Yeah. All right, now we are going to get our secret, which is some fresh ginger. All right, inside of it. Also, ginger is a must. I got 1 more apple, but this one is green apple. All right. So we're going to top it up. We're going to top it up with some green apple inside of it. All right. 1 medium-sized green apple right here. It may not hold everything, but I'm just put what can hold. All right. So the green apple, I just use half of it inside of it because the blender is small. All right. Good vibes. So you guys can see exactly what's taking place. All right. Now let's get some water. All right. Okay, now we're going to pour some water, roughly about a cup of water inside of it. Excellent. Now, the most beautiful part of everything is blending it. So let's put on this. And that's the way it looks right there. Beautiful, simple, and I know you guys can do this at home. It doesn't complicate it, and yeah, 100% you guys can go in the kitchen, get these few ingredients and make yourself a beautiful juice like this. Carrot, green apple, red apple, ginger, and some lime inside of it. And trust me, you don't need to put any honey or sugar. It's just pretty good just as it is right there. You guys can do this at home 100%. Big up every one of you guys. You cooking? No, not cooking today. Today we're just making a juice, aka big up yourself. That's it. Thank you so much. What is that? That is just a juice, you know what I mean, to help you with the gut. Some people don't know how to fix their gut, and that's why they're sicky. They have a lot of cold and a flu and a lot more stuff going on with their immune system because their immune system is down. Juice and teas and detoxing and eating a lot of vegetables do help to fix your gut. Your gut is the most important thing on your body. Not your money, not your house, not your car, not your girlfriend, not your wife. But your gut is the most important thing you need to fix. Because when you are sick and you have the most expensive car or your most expensive house in it, you only can lay down in your bed. Your most expensive car, you only can just walk to your car. Probably you can't even drive it. Someone have to drive you. You understand? So it is very important to look after the gut and fix the gut, fix the immune system and detox the body and make sure you have a healthy lifestyle. Some people put everything over their health, but your health comes first. Because at the end of the day, no matter how much money your wife have and no matter how much money you have, once you're sick, it's like nothing. You understand? Yeah, you can go to the doctor and you spend a lot of money in the pharmacy and get yourself medication, but at the end of the day, you're still sick. So that's why it's important for you to make different kind of stuff and see what's the best thing works really good for your immune system and detoxing up the body on a regular basis. Look after your gut is one of the most important things because everything is start from the gut. Before you even was born and upon this earth, there is so many food was going inside of your stomach until this very day. How you continue to detox in the body and cleansing the gut with different kind of recipes, natural ingredients, and cutting down on some of the meat and cutting down on some of the rice and all sort of, few bits and pieces. So, yeah, here we go. One more time again. So, beautiful juice, beautiful recipe. It's up to you. You can eat whatever you want to eat. You can drink whatever you want to drink. But I'm going to tell you this, and I witnessed this many times. If you go to London now and do the whole search in London, you will find all different kind of people in the hospital. Rich, middle class, and poor. And if you listen to some of them story, they will tell you exactly what's going on. It starts from the gut. Always fix the gut. Anyway, let's go into this and let's do this one. All right. Remember, you can also get yourself a copy of my book, From Poverty to Purpose. It's available on Amazon. 50% off at the moment. We're going to blend this on an amazing recipe now. Not going to be a lot. Yeah, it's just a little bit I make. All right. Oh, smell that. That smells amazing and fantastic. So we're gonna pour it out like this in our strainer. Lovely. All right. Yeah. So that looking excellent. Look at that. This is good, but I don't have too much of it. At least 10% of it is right here. guys. You see? Rich, beautiful, and nice juice. And I'm gonna tell you something. I drink so much of this juice. Every day I make the detoxing and said, this is of the best and I know. Now, there is more. I'm always squeezing out it when I finish my videos and get more from it. All right, so there is more inside of it. And what you can do, get a teaspoon and mix it inside of it. All right, yeah, man. You can get a teaspoon of it and put it inside of it and mix it. So, see, I'm going to put a little bit more, so roughly about 1 teaspoon. Mix it inside of it. All right, and that's the way it look so far. But look at that, amazing. Green apple, cucumber, ginger, and lime inside of it, which is with some red apple. And I'm going to tell you, you can do this at home, guys. All right, yeah, man. We're going to pour it out. I just pour it from here because I don't want to mess up my, wow. Now, look at this. That is fantastic and an amazing. And you guys can do this at home by go to your supermarket and make this an amazing, incredible juice at home. Carrot, ginger, red apple, green apple, lime, water, and blend up this beautiful juice and be happy at home. Now, if you like this kind of recipe, you know exactly what to do. Please leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend, because we have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas for you guys to make at home. Please watch the next video, which is over there on your left hand side, and you will see the beautiful weight loss recipe also. All right, guys. Now I'm gonna take the time out to say thank each and every one of you guys who support my show. I appreciate it. But as I can see, that is fantastic and amazing. Big up on yourself, wherever you are in this world. A good vibes, people. All right, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend, and please share the love, guys. It is important for you to share